Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Gosh, what do we have to do today? Let's see. Today I need to graph a line that contains the point 3 comma 3 comma negative 6 and has the slope of minus 1 over 2 or minus half. Alright, let's do it. Let's see. Let me get a nice red color here going. And my pencil, of course, selected. Now, first things first, I need to know what the equation of a line is. And the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. Okay, this is called a linear equation formula. This is what we use all the time in order to graph equations on a coordinate graph. Now, again, a recap. What does the m stand for? The m stands for slope. Okay? The x and y, which you see over here, those are just coordinate points. And the b stands for y-intercept. That is the line, or that's the number in which the line cuts into the y-axis. Well, let's see what information we've got over here. They've given me the slope. It's very nice of them. They told me that the slope is minus half, so let's plug that in. Let me use another color. Yellow is no good here. So they told me the slope is minus 1 over 2x. Don't forget that x. Without the x, it won't be a slope, okay? Plus b. Alright, I need to graph a line, so I need coordinate points. They gave me one, 3 comma minus 6. I need another one though. Let's see if we can use that information somehow. I told you that x and y represents coordinate points, and they gave me x and y here. This is x, this is y. Well then, let's plug it in. Let's see what we get. It can give me the value of b. At least I'll know the y-intercept. Alright, let's do that then. I'm going to take another color. How about a purple? And they told me that y is equal to minus 6, right over here, equals minus 1 over 2, and the x is 3, so let's substitute, plus b. Alright, so far so good. That's how we got the numbers. I'm just plugging in. Substitution. Let's do some math. So minus 6 is equal to minus half times 3 is just minus 3 over 2 plus b. I need to solve for b. I don't like the fact that this b is on the right side. I like it on the left. As always, this is the left side of the equal sign. This is the right side of the equal sign. My variable b is on the right side, which I don't really like. So you know what? Let's switch the whole thing. I'm going to switch this entire thing on this side, and I'm going to take my minus 6 and put it on the other side. Sounds good? We can do it. Let's do it. So let me do something fancy here. I'm just going to take my minus 3 and just put it over here. Equal sign. Put it here. And minus 6. Put it over here. There we go. How easy is that, huh? Alright, now this looks better to me. I like it. Visually, this is much more appealing. And by the way, you can do that, you know. Alrighty, let's see. Let's get my thing here. First things first. B needs to be independent. Minus 3 over 2 is blocking my way. Let's take the inverse. The inverse of minus 3 over 2 is positive 3 over 2. And this will also be positive 3 over 2. Okay? This cancels out. The b is free. And now we need to solve. What is minus 6 plus positive 3 over 2? Now, you kids with calculators, you can easily do this. Should I use a calculator? No, I'm going to use the old-fashioned way. Minus 6 plus 3 over 2. Let me turn this into a fraction. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's cross multiply. 3 times 3, 1 is 3. Minus 6 times 2 is minus 12. 3 minus 12 is minus 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 9 over 2. There we go. Minus 6 plus 3 over 2 is minus 9 over 2. So, b is equal to minus 9 over 2. So we have finally found the y-intercept. So I know, and here's my graph right here, that somewhere on the y-intercept, the line gets cut at minus 9 over 2. Now those of you with calculators, if you do minus 9 over 2, you know that 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So I'm going to find 4.5 on my graph here. Here's the 4, here's the 5. 4.5 is right over here. However, hold on. I did say it was minus 9 over 2, correct? So I am in the wrong area. Let me go all the way down. Let's go to the minus section. And there we go, right over here. That's my y-intercept. You see that? Is that cool? And then if we go back here over here, I know that my other coordinate point is in 3 comma minus 6, right over here. So let's go find 3, elevator 3, and let's take it down to minus 6. Boom! 2 coordinate points have got. Let's draw a line to connect them. Now I'm going to try to do this freehand. Let's see if I can do it this way. It's too thick. Let's make it a smaller line. Right there. All the way. There we go. Now remember, kids, you will have a ruler, so you have to extend the line as all the way through the graph, okay? I'm trying to do this here rustically, as you can see. There we go. We have graphed the equation of this line, okay? Which is y equals 1/2 x plus, what was the b again? The b was minus 9 over 2. Okay, now you're probably wondering, hey man, how do you know this is correct? What about the slope? Well, let's go check it. The slope was minus 1 over 2, right? Rise over run. Minus 1 over 2. I'm supposed to go down once, or one jump down, 2 jumps to the right. Let's see if that works out. I'm going to pick this point. Let's pick a point where we can have 2 good coordinate points. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this. I need a good point right here. Maybe this would work out. Let's try. No, it doesn't work. Trust me, it works, okay? If you plug this into your scientific calculator, in your TI-84, put this in there, you will definitely see that your graph looks like this, okay? And this is basically how you solve it. Thank you.